Hello everyone, my name is Prakash Prajapati and I am an MBA student. I am here to discuss how Smooth disrupted the flavored milk market in India. So Amul has been India's go-to brand for milk and dairy products for decades. And when it comes to flavored milk market, Amul Cool was the undisputed king, seen as both healthy and refreshing. But then Parle Agro saw an opportunity. They couldn't just copy paste Amul's success. Instead, they found a gap, a big one, and filled it with Smooth. Today, we will break down how Smooth cracked the code with smart pricing, clear distribution, and marketing that spoke directly to Bharat. Stick around. This is a masterclass in disruptive branding. And the first it is about first tell you about me. I'm aiming to revolutionize marketing domain with the help of case studies. So the market gap by Smooth. Their gap analysis is here: premium brands versus affordable access. As we know, flavored milk was already popular, but Parle Agro noticed a problem. Premium brands like Amul Cool were priced at rupees 20 plus per pack. For tier 2 and tier 3 India, that was too expensive for an everyday drink. Smooth spotted the gap: affordable, hygienic, and portable flavored milk for the masses. Their solution: a tiny but mighty 85 ml Tetra pack priced at rupees just 10. So, which leads to the price point revolution. Smooth didn't just undercut competitors, they halved the price at rupees 10. It was an impulse buy, no second thoughts. But how did they keep cost low? Nadia Chauhan, Parle Agro's CMO, revealed the secrets: extreme operational efficiency from production to distributions. They optimized every step to profit from volume, not high margins. So their pricing strategy, which is rupees 10, which was no-brainer purchase for a middle income consumers, which leads to the target audience, which is winning over the Bharat. So their main target audience was kids, teens, and middle India. While premium brands focused on metros, Smooth went after tier 2, tier 3 cities and rural India. The core audience were kids, teens, and young adults who wanted a tasty, safe, and affordable drink. Think school canteens, bus stops, and local kirana stores. Their positioning was simple: delicious dairy at an unbeatable price, which lead to how their product strategy was. They are mainly focused on a small pack, which is leading to big impact, which is their Tetra pack, which became a game changer for the whole whole market. So the magic wasn't just the price; it was the 85 ml Tetra pack. No refrigeration needed, easy to carry and hygienic. They also launched Smooth Lassi, which was thick, creamy, and just as affordable. The small size made it a snack, not a luxury, which leads us to marketing and branding. Their marketing tagline, also Smooth, become an epic of that time. And with Varun Dhawan, it was leading to mass reach because of the image of Varun Dhawan. Smooth branding was fun, youthful, and mass friendly. They robed in Varun Dhawan. His energy matched their vibe. The tagline was so smooth, highlighting the richness and texture. Bright packaging stood out even in cluttered Rana stores, and billboards reinforced mass appeal. And there, which lead to the distributions, how they are managed distributions. There are 1 million plus outlets, and even it was counting over time. So here's where Smooth dominated distribution. They hit 1 million plus outlets, kirana stores, roadside stalls, schools. Unlike brands stuck in supermarkets, Smooth was everywhere. Bharat soft which results to 300 million packs in 7 months. So the result was 300 million packs sold in 7 months. Why? Because of the 10 rupees pricing, which lead to the individuals to buy without any hesitations. It was also perceived as healthy because it's milk and it is first flavored milk for many in rural India. So key takeaways other brands should learn from Smooth. First one was price disrupt markets. Rupees 10 removed barriers. No one hesitating to buy Smooth rupees 10 Tetra Pak. Their distribution, marketing, which was where your audience is, knowing where your audience live. As Smooth know, their audience is came from tier 2, tier 3 India, sub overlooked market as other brands eliminated or ignored tier 2, tier 3 India, which became a gold mine for Smooth. Packaging matters as the Smooth branding was small, bright, and functional. The packaging was really making a great impact for Smooth. Stay consistent. Their message was clear and they never wavered about their product. So now it's your turn. Smooth Smooth didn't just sell flavored milk, they created a new category for India. So what's your take? Could other brands replicate this? Drop a comment, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more marketing deep dives. See you in the next video. Thank you.